bugs, welcome back to the channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley. It's super early in the morning. I am having my first espresso of the day. Today's going to be a full-on hair tutorial featuring a company by the name of Nadula. Nadula hair is super popular on YouTube. A lot of your favorite influencers love their hair, rock their hair, and so forth and so on. I really wanted to take the time to install another wig before we get this hectic day started. I have all the details, list links to everything I used to complete this look in the description box, as well as a link to this wig. And inside you get a headband, you get 2 packs of your wig caps, and you also get a really nice, sleek dust bag to care for your wig. So without wasting any extra time, let's go ahead and jump into the install. Jumping right into it, I'm going to show you the inside construction of the lace. You have a frontal with ear-to-ear baby hair, so it's going to be lit. I'm going to go ahead and tint the lace using a foundation that I picked up. The sales associate accidentally gave me a shade that's too light for my complexion. Instead of returning it, I decided to use it as a lace tint, and it's actually pretty perfect because it's not too red. I blow dried it on a hot setting until it was pretty much dry enough that it wouldn't transfer too much on my hair, and voila, DIY lace tint. Okay, so as I mentioned, we're pressed for time, so I want to do what I can to get the wig installed and styled as quick as possible so I can go ahead and get the kids dressed and get myself dressed. So let's go ahead and pull all the baby hair back and cut off the excess lace, install her, do the baby hair, and then we'll maybe decide what style we're going to go for. I'm thinking center part with some messy wand curls. Let's just go ahead and enjoy the vibe. Okay, you guys see, I've been trying to do the Eric and Tay baby hair. I don't know what it is, but like I feel like it'd be looking right. It'd be like this close to looking right, and then I just give in and grab the mousse and just do what I normally would do. So I was gonna have it all the way around, but I kind of feel like when you have baby hair this like thick and full, you gotta kind of leave something in the center, and usually I would start it like a little bit further away, so it's kind of like more in the center, but it's okay because I feel like this wig is super full, so it goes. And the great thing is, if it is too thick or like too far in, I can obviously go back whenever I want and fix it. So I would rather do it like this and it be maybe too full, and I can gradually, you know, thin it out more. Let's go ahead and work on the ends. I'm gonna just do some messy big pieces of wand curls because at this point I spent too much time on my hair. We have to go. So I'm just gonna do some messy wand curls. Be sure to add your heat protectant, and yeah, heat protectant is by Chi. Okay, so we're pretty much done with the look. I haven't combed the curls out just for the sake of the fact that I will be having a long day. It's like 11 at this point, and I'm probably going to be at Disney until 9 when they close. So I don't feel the need to comb them out just quite yet because I know it's hot outside. The knots on this one needed to be bleached, and we did not bleach them. So we are using our concealer and powder as a quick finesse. We also did tint the lace, but we just want to be as unclockable as possible. So just the install in itself made a huge difference. I'm going to go ahead and blend this out and add some powder on top. And this is the finished look. I really wasn't planning on wearing makeup today, but maybe for some pictures I might do like a quick concealer under the eyes and in any dark spots that I have, and then throw some powder foundation on that just to give me a more done up look. I'm gonna see what I can do in like 5 minutes or less, because at this point my husband's gonna start being like, all right, you don't want to go. Yeah, so let me go ahead and do that, and then hopefully I can get some pictures, and then if I don't, I'll just have to do them when I get back. Also with the powdery look, if it's too powdery, you can kind of take a hairspray. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this and set. My kids are ready to go. They're on their iPads. I'm trying to distract them with iPads while I got a little bit of work done and did my hair at the same time. But I'm Ashley Bedeck if you're tuning in for the first time. I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. I like these because I like to do my hair every day. Like, why do my hair at night? I can do it in the morning and have fresh hair. Yes, baby. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, this one came from Nadula. Got the gang right here. we're gonna go ahead and head out to Disney. So stay tuned for the vlog. Let me finish, okay? So stay tuned for the vlog from our Disney trip. Gonna try to start vlogging a lot more for you guys for the summertime, so also stay tuned for that. Also, don't forget to check out the description box for lists and links to everything I used to complete this look. Somebody's gonna be crying in a second, so yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!